name is Ed Thompson. Welcome to the Evidentia tutorial series. If you've seen our previous video on tagging claims, you know the importance of claim tagging to the Evidentia workflow. If not, we encourage you to watch our tutorial Tagging Claims. In Evidentia 2, every claim type was applied to a single person. If a claim type such as marriage involved two people, you had to tag it twice. And each proof was handled separately, even though the analysis was probably identical. In Evidentia 3, we introduced the concept of claim type modes. A claim type can apply to an individual, a couple relationship, or a parent-child relationship. Let me show you how this applies to the claim tagging process. If we open the Tag Claim screen and select the marriage claim type, Evidentia provides us two subject fields. If we know both parties, we can select them, click on the Add Tag button, and Evidentia creates a single claim tag identifying both parties. This means we only have to manage one proof, and Evidentia is smart enough to attach the same proof to both parties, using the appropriate title for each. If we do not know both parties, Evidentia will fill in the unknown party with a placeholder. In this tutorial, we have demonstrated the advantages to the new claim type assignments. In our next tutorial, we will complete our discussion of claim tagging by showing you how Evidentia 3 handles parent-child relationships.